I'm Mark from Burnside Collision here in Portland, Oregon. About a year or so ago, I was looking for a way to speed up our ability to process paint through the shop. We've got this very old, beautiful 1982 paint booth. We were trying to find a way to process maybe 1 or 2 more jobs a day out of the booth. In the year that we've had this machine, I can honestly say I've noticed probably about 30% less material usage. Flash times are probably 30 to 40% faster. I can't turn back. I could never spray with regular old compressed air again. It's a waste of time. Paint comes out cleaner, more consistent for sure. Coat and a half wet, heavy, plow it on, flash it off. Almost every time it looks perfect. The quality of the paint is so much better. We're doing a heck of a lot less polish work. The material savings is noticeable, substantially noticeable right out of the gate. You know, Brandon's our new painter. He's been with us for, gosh, 6 weeks, give or take.
Paint material savings seems to be a savings of about 30%, and the finish quality is much better than compressed air, especially with the clear coat. It would be really hard to go back to painting with just compressed air.
It has made me so very impatient with the process of spraying a vehicle. Just because it's so much better. That's a massive increase in production for us. You know, that put us to actually be able to put out 2 extra cars a day, which is huge. It's amazing. It's night and day difference. Every paint shop should have one. Every single one.